In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear all cache files in Windows 11 like a pro. If your PC is lagging continuously, you may have a lot of cache files filling up your storage. Open this PC. Now open local disk C. Open the Windows folder from here. In this folder, scroll down and open the Storage Distribution folder. This folder usually contains update files and logs for Windows apps. Select everything in the folder and click on Delete. In the pop-up, turn on this option and click on Skip. Now let's move on to the second step. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. A pop-up should appear on the screen. In the pop-up, type a %sign, temp, and another %sign. Now press Enter. Select everything in the folder by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard and delete it. If you see a pop-up like this, close it. Close this window and press Windows plus R again. This time, type temp without the %signs and press Enter. Just like before, delete everything here as well. If you see a pop-up like this, click on Continue and close it. Close this window and press Windows plus R again. Now type prefetch and press Enter. Just like before, delete everything here too. Now click on the Windows button and search for CMD. Open CMD as administrator. Now type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Now all the IP cache has been removed. Let's clear the cache for browsers. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. On the left side menu, click on Privacy and Security. In this section, click on Clear Browsing Data. Here, you can delete the cache files and other browsing data from your browser. Click on the Windows button and search for Storage Settings. Open the Storage Settings. On this menu, click on Temporary Files. Some of the sections will be selected automatically. Leave them as they are. Now select the recycle bin from here and click on Remove Files. Now all the cache files on your system should be deleted and your PC should be faster than before.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.